So hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to draw eyeball using graphite pencils. So as you can see in the reference image, I'll be starting by marking the darkest area. I'll be using the Staedtler 7B pencil for marking the darkest area. So that will be my darkest pencil I'll be using in my whole video. Now I'll be using a blender. Blender is a tool that is used to blend the paper with the graphite. So it gives the smooth texture to the image. Then I'm using a brush. Brush is used to smoothen the texture that was given by blender. Since the blender was used for blending the paper and the graphite pencil, brush was used to smoothen the graphite pencil to give it a realistic look. Now I am marking the other darkest area that is on the top of the eyeball. As you can see in the image, the white highlight that is coming, I am leaving that particular area. Then I am using a 3B Staedtler pencil to give it the light look around the eyeball. Then I'm again blending that particular thing with the blender. Then I'm smoothing it with the brush. This is the basic technique that one uses. Like first we blend the graphite with the paper, and then this next step is to smoothen the graphite with brush. Use a mono zero eraser to rub the area. Using this eraser, you can give the highlights in the eye. As you can see in the image, the white highlights that are visible, I am giving the same highlights using this mono zero eraser. These white highlights are not always straight. These are curved in nature. So as you can see me doing crisscrossing, and at some part I am doing straight lines also, like near that black highlights I am doing the straight lines, and at the end of the eye I am doing crisscrossing. This mono zero eraser is really helpful as it gives you the best highlights possible, and it removes the graphite easily, and it is really pointed also. Now use the 3B pencil to do the inside linings of the eye. The thing which we have erased using eraser, mono zero eraser, now we have to make it come highlighted. We have to make it pop up. So as you can see in the image, it is being popped up a little bit. So we are gonna make those areas darker. The sketching is all about creating layers. You create a base layer, then you create the first layer, then you create the second layer until you are satisfied with the layers. The white part that we have left inside the eyeball, we have to give it a little bit of shade. I am using blender to give it a shade because that white part is not always white. It is the reflection of the light. So you have to give it a little bit shade. You should not keep it fully white. So it's the same technique I am using. I am first using blender to blend, and then I am using brush to smoothen the area, because the brush gives the realistic look. Now I am using the mono zero eraser to rub the white part inside that top black layer. Now I am using a 7B pencil to mark the darkest areas little more, to give it like a highlight. Now this is the final step that I am gonna do, is marking the darkest area. As you can see me going line by line, adding each detail inside that eyeball. This is the detailing part. Now I'm again gonna smoothen the area using the brush. Now the last part comes is using the Mono Zero eraser to give the highlight. Now using this eraser, I am popping up the details inside that eyeball. Every artist have their own techniques, so these were mine techniques to create a realistic eyeball. At last, creating this is the same as creating the layers. You have to start from base layer, then you have to go on it with a layer 1, then the layer 2, then the layer 3 until you are satisfied. And keep on adding details because these layers only add up to create a realistic sketch. So as you can see the final eyeball by creating 3 to 4 layers. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more sketching techniques.